hope you can hear me real well. It's windy out here today. I'm out here, out by my house. You can see there's my cow and my two donkeys there. Anyway, today we got some chicks, and I'm going to show you the chicks and what the box we're cleaning out. This sounds exciting, I'm sure. So anyway, let me do that right quick, and then we'll get on to some order of operations in math. Okay, today we're cleaning the chicks pen out. This is what it looks like right now. And here are the chicks. While we're taking their stuff away, Kathy put them in a box. So here's all the chicks. The one on the lower right part of the screen, it doesn't have any stripes on it. That's the turkey. And Kathy bought the rest of the chicks. Anyway, my dog, Mackie, is very interested in them. She knew the box was closed, so now she's trying to close it back because she's being protective. All right, today we're going to go back to the basics, the really basics. So we're going to be doing order of operations in this assignment for the next 2 days. First, you're going to do what's in the parentheses first. Whenever you look at an expression to simplify it or an equation to solve it. And the parentheses are like this. But they can also be square, like that. And there's one of the problems that has that in it. Or they can look like this. Something like that. Look like braces. And then the E, it's usually just, they shorten it with an E, but it's actually, should be PEMDAS. Should be exponents and roots. In other words, square roots, cube roots. So this would be the next thing you would look for. And then multiply or divide, just in that order from left to right. And add and subtract. And you add and subtract in no particular order, just from left to right. All right, so this is going to be an exponent is sort of like 3 to the 4th power. The 4 is the exponent. And a square root looks like this. It looks like a little division sign. And then multiplication and division. And so I'm going to work some of these with you. All right. Now first, let's see, I'll have the date on it. But do put in your cottage and your name so I can read it. Thank you. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, I guess, number 3. Let's do number 3. Remember, we got PEMDAS, so PEMDAS. That's the order. Now here, there's no parentheses, but we do have an exponent right here. So if I wrote every step out here, then what I would do is I'm going to take this one step at a time. So 14 minus 16 divided by 8 plus 3 squared is not 3 times 2. It's not 6. It's going to be 3 times 3. So that's 9 times 5. So that would be step 1. And the next step, we're looking at multiplication and division. Well, division comes first, so we'll do it first. So 16 divided by 8 is going to be 14 minus 2 plus 9 times 5. And we can, now if we were doing, I'm doing one step at a time, so that's that step, and then I'll do this step. So this doesn't change anymore. 14 minus 2 plus 9 times 5, which is 45. And now addition and subtraction. And it doesn't matter which comes first. And this one, the negative sign does. So 14 minus 2 is 12. And 12 plus 45 is going to be 57. All right. And when you get to this one, make sure that if you, what this actually says, it's going to be 5 times 6 plus 2 divided, and that's all in parentheses, plus 2 minus, in parentheses, 12 minus 4 divided by. And then you can, it looks more like one of these others. And then finally, let me get you started on number 14. So these are brackets, so they're going to be parentheses. And we start with the innermost parentheses first. So it's 15 plus 5 times 5 plus, and what's in the parentheses here is going to be 8 divided by 4, and multiplication goes before division, or before addition. Multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 5 plus 3 times 4. And now I've gotten rid of these, the inner side parentheses. And I'm just going to do this top for right now. What you're going to do, you're going to finish this out, but let me finish the top one. So 3 times 4 inside these brackets is 15 plus 5 times 5 plus 12 is 17. And then 15 plus 5 times 17. And 5 times 17 is 50 plus 35. Plus 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 7 is 35, and that's 85. Plus 85, and that is going to be 100. All right, so y'all have fun on these. It shouldn't take you very long. And but we'll have 2 days of this. And then I'll see you back here on Wednesday.